Clover needs clothes. Okay, realistically, all of my ball jointed dolls need clothes. But most specifically, I need tiny doll clothes. I've been reworking my teeny tinies, and I'm going to be introducing new ones really soon. And I can't just have them be naked, right? That's where this comes in. I've gotten mystery packs of Barbie clothes from Amazon before, to mixed success. I thought with how much I actually needed to stash build for my dolls, I would go ahead and try again. And this time I have 3 bags. 2 Barbie, 1 Ken. I like to be surprised, but this one's clear, so we're just gonna start with this one. It literally came like this, just in a plastic bag. It's pretty weird. And this one has accessories in it, mostly because I wanted some Ken doll shoes. That's what fits the teeny tinies really well, at least the main body. I'll also put the price of each pack right here. You can see the Amazon listing, so you know exactly which one. I'm also going to link them in the description. We have a button-up shirt. Some of this I might not use as is, but I do think this one I could probably like add a cute little patch to or something, just to make it a little more fun and a little more my doll style. I also think I would crop it, and that would be super cute. Let me know if you think I should crop this, but it is pretty cute. And the jean shorts. We're probably gonna get 15 pairs of these. I don't know why they're half of Barbie clothes, but they are. These ones are black though, which is kind of nice. I don't have any this color. Another random shirt, HS Parenting. What? That's so random. And it's only printed on one side. I don't know about this one, but I mean, it's something. Also, not quite the jean shorts. I don't know what this would be, like, just like cotton? Oh, I was so excited to see some pink, and then we got orange stripes, and I don't know how I feel about this. I really like the pink. I wish it was more pink, but it's not terrible. It is definitely better than HS Parenting. And everything Velcros up the back, which is nice. Oh, I'm actually happy to see these. They're more Bermuda shorts, but they're in a khaki color. I could actually use these. I think these are all right. Yes, the exact same shorts we just got. Maybe a hair lighter, just more of the same. I wonder if I can bleach these. We have a headset in case one of my dolls wants to work in tech support, maybe. These are kind of fabulous. I feel like I could definitely make a cool look using these. Like, they're really kind of tacky on their own, but I think that they could be super fabulous. It would be very cool to have an exact matching shirt and make like a rompim. Do you guys remember rompims? I'm a little obsessed with this. I don't know why. The brown on pink is a weird choice, but it's kind of giving like Neapolitan ice cream, chocolate, strawberry milk, and it just does win. Like, I don't know, but it's kind of funny. I like this one actually a lot. I feel like I got this exact shirt in Barbie size, like way back when I did my last Barbie clothes mystery haul. I find it so funny that they sent this inflated. Like, there's not anywhere to blow it up, so I guess if it pops, it pops. Okay, so I mean, I don't actually have any hangers or anywhere to hang tiny clothes, but I am always looking for new hangers. These are kind of cute. I'd probably just still use them for my MSDs, like my quarter scale dolls. We have a couple pairs of glasses. Oh, in case you want a coworker. I guess they could also be gamers. Like, I don't play video games with a headset, but maybe that's what's happening. Oh, a guitar. Half a guitar. I'm not really sure what to do with this one. Like, the half guitar is kind of a weird choice. Not too sure what that's about, but I mean, maybe I can spray paint it and make a wall decoration or something. I'm not sure what to do with this. If you have any ideas, let me know, please. And a skateboard, and it looks like if you're wearing a set of, this is not Ken doll shoes. This is like Chelsea. Is this a Chelsea size skateboard? Then we have this pair of black boots, and they do split open up. Oh, weird. Not at the top though. Okay. We'll see how that looks on, but I have a pair of white sneakers, exactly like the ones Clover is wearing right now, so that works. I've got a pair of black loafers, and then I have like dress shoes or cleats. Maybe they're like sports shoes. I actually don't know what these are supposed to be, but again, they're just some plain shoes and I can just paint them. So, all right, that's bag number 1. Let's clear this off and we can get into the Barbie stuff. I like this because now I can keep it a mystery and just reach in, which is how I like to do it. But again, this brand and this pack is right here. So if you're interested and you like this pack, you can go check it out. However, I don't think you can guarantee that this is what's in the pack, maybe, but I think it's just random items. I think it might be different every time, but I've never bought 2 of the same one to confirm. Oh, we got a couple, that's all right. Oh, this is so cute, actually. Oh my gosh, these are nice. What? Okay, so they're little sports pants, but they're actually cuffed. Like, I don't usually use black for my dolls' clothes, but I like these. And what I grabbed was a matching hoodie. I don't think I'm going to change this outfit. This is actually so cute. I mean, maybe the little sport patch, maybe I'll put like a little heart or like a frog or something instead, something a little cuter. But like, that's actually so cute. That was a strong start. I'm excited to get into this one now. Oh my gosh, okay. Don't look. A sea of Barbie shoes. I don't think any of these as it stands will fit. My teeny tinies, maybe my micros, but they're all heeled. That's the one thing about Barbie shoes is they're almost all heeled. These are so cute though, oh my gosh. Maybe I can try and squeeze someone's feet into these because, oh, I love these so much. These are really cute too. I think my micros might fit these. I'm not gonna lie. I think I can get my micro dolls into these. We've got this blue pair. The quality on these is nice. Like they're... The pack I'd ordered last time, I don't remember the quality being this nice. I'm really impressed so far. We got some blue ones. Like the details are really nice. I'm not seeing a ton of seams. Like the quality is definitely nicer on these than the Ken doll clothes we just opened. Like you can see how much detail these have. Like if I end up being able to use these for some of my dolls, I can just add like tiny bits of paint and they would look, I think, really, really nice. Just with a couple of the details accentuated. Some yellow ones. These black ones. I love these little clear ones. They're so cute. Another blue pair. And here's another blue pair. One nice thing I'm noticing is none of these are doubles. Not even like different colors of the same shoe. They're all different and I really like that. And then a pair of red ones. Okay, hopefully there's more clothes in here because that's what I'm really interested in. Oh, this fuzzy thing is trying to get out. Oh, we have like a whole outfit. These are... Yeah. These are unfortunate. I'm gonna say, like, this is not cute. What does it even say? Happy Breen? I don't know what that means, but these are not great. Don't like those. And the quality on this one is not as nice, but it looks like the Barbie extra jacket, but like a seconds version. Like there's stuff coming. What happened? Every time I say something is nice, the quality's good. Like this is what happens. I will use this though. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's fuzzy and it's pink. It's fabulous. I don't know what's going on. Like you can fully see, like what is this fabric? You can see where all like the fur or the hair It almost is like doll hair. It's like a doll hair jacket, like super weird. And it's shedding like crazy. Oh, I think there's more fuzzy. Oh, this is also fuzzy and pink. And it also doesn't have like seams, like proper hemming and stuff. But it's not shedding on me and it's really cute. So you know what, this one I feel like you can wear it as a cardigan, but I think I might just add Velcro to the back and have it be like a cropped sweater. I think that is what I'm gonna do with it. And maybe a little piece of like ribbon or elastic at the top to make like a neck. I'm not sure. I really like this one though. Okay, we've got some sunglasses. These will fit my teeny tinies. They're meant to be oversized. I think they'll fit, but you know, they're actually pretty cute though, so. And then I got a pair of gray joggers. This is the kind of stash builder or essential type thing I've been looking for, so happy to see these in there. I got another one of these skateboards. Now I have two that I don't know what to do with. A pair of gray leggings. These are ribbed. And oh, they're really stretchy. These are gonna fit for sure. Okay, there's so much gray happening in this pack. We have another sport. The hoodie is super cute. I'm gonna have to do something about this big sport logo though. I don't like that, but you know. I think an oversized patch or something, again, would be really cute. Or maybe I can put like a vinyl transfer on top. Let's reach back in. Okay, here's another pair of printed jeans. These ones are less unfortunate than the others. Actually, look, that's a weird stitching pattern. Like a moto jean almost. They're not great, but honestly, they're also not terrible. These, I'm neutral on these. Okay, this is what I wanted. I love this. Just a plain white, like mock neck tank top. It doesn't have sleeves, which means you can layer it properly, because when it has sleeves, it gets bunched up and doesn't look good. But this is really cute. And then another little black crop tank. This is super cute too. Less cute, but kind of okay. Again, the white tank top is fine. I think I'm just going to have to change the front to something better. What? Another sport? I think this is a bandeau. It feels really flimsy. I don't know. I'd have to see this on, but I don't like this. We have a second pair of those sunglasses. We did get a double in this pack, but... Here's a beanie. It says Music HY Toy. This is cute. I think it matches, yeah, it matches the leggings. These are not Barbie shoes. These are definitely like a Chelsea shoe that would fit probably in the skateboard. Same with these. But again, I'm wondering if my micros would fit these. That's the end of the second pack. I'm gonna move it again to this side, and then we can take a look at what's in pack 3. Okay. I don't know, maybe it's because the bag is pink, but this is the one I was most excited to open. You can kind of see through the front, and I don't want to know, but I don't know. I feel like if the bag is pink, it's got to have some cute pink things in it, right? And the shorts. These are at least like a short version of the shorts, but like what are these patterns? What are these fabrics they choose? Could they at least just pick a solid colored cotton or something? This is cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, no, love it. I love this one. It's a cardigan. And if you look closely, it's like a terry. It's probably meant to be a bathrobe, but it's a cardigan. It's got like bears embossed on it, like in the terry cloth. This is so cute. I freaking love this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this one. Yeah, it's probably meant to be a bathrobe, but we're just gonna pretend it's a cardigan because that's great. Okay, so we have a sport, the same bottoms as the black ones, but in pink. That's going to be fabulous for photos because we also have the hoodie in pink and weird sport bandeau in pink. So I'm definitely going to have to use that black sport bandeau from the last set because, like, yeah, the twinning, it's too good. I have to use that. Okay, I'm living for these. I could do like a really cute love core look, say if I use these and then like the pink from the other set, or like even this cardigan. Like, I don't like a lot of red, but I really like it in combination with pink. And because they've made it red and peach, I think these work really well. And, oh my gosh, thank goodness, look, it's plain. I love to see it, just a plain purple tank top. Okay, forget what I said about weird prints. Do I love the orange? Not really, but I freaking love this rainbow, like with the glitter. It's not glitter, but like little stars and stuff. That's actually so cute. Oh yeah. Bathrobe confirmed. Here is the tie for it. But this is actually a matching headband, okay? Like, nobody needs to know that that's not the cardigan. Another pair of the shorts, but these ones have a cuff. And they're like soft. They're almost like, I don't know how to describe it, but they're very soft. But for that price, all of this stuff, I mean, that's pretty great. And there's some real gems in here. Have you ever bought the random Barbie clothes bags from Amazon? And if you've bought the ones I bought, is it the same exact stuff? I don't know. I just feel like they're probably changing the stuff or just grabbing random stuff, but it would be cool to find out. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thanks so much for subscribing. And if you're new here and like the content, please consider subscribing. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.